Today we're going to be talking about a very large issue during Amazon, especially Q4, supply chain. Let's jump into it. Hey, what's going on guys? Cohen Chorbick here with Smart FBA, and today I wanted to bring some light onto what's going on with Amazon and share with you guys a little bit of more information regarding both fourth quarter and also the supply chain issues going on. So if you're a current seller on Amazon, you're probably already experiencing this, supply chain shortages. Okay, it's been reported on several different broadcasts that supply chains are really going down everywhere. This is something that's really affecting a lot of sellers online and even offline, and really something that we're seeing as a big drastic decrease in sales overall in many different areas. Just as an example, so you guys know the severity of this, Amazon plans to spend an extra $4 billion to lure seasonal workers with richer paychecks and benefits, and to ensure that packages arrive at its warehouses and on customers' doorsteps. Amazon is really looking at this as a serious problem, guys. People are realizing that supply chain shortages are affecting everything around the world. Parcels that once took a couple weeks to get and deliver and everything may now take even longer, and this could really affect the holiday seasons coming up. We've already seen this in our operations, supply chain issues, and things that used to take a much shorter amount of time be delayed, and this is again something that we had to go through ourselves and actually persevere through. Now, one of the positive things about this is that many sellers experience this. This isn't just us and other people, because it does affect the whole global market. It's another chance to kind of have an opportunity and get in when other sellers are hurting a lot, guys. So although yes, it has delayed some of our operations, and yes, it has delayed how long it takes for orders to be fulfilled, this has not actually delayed and suppressed some of the results that we've seen. So I'm going to share with you guys a few different stores and share what the growth looks like and everything like that for you guys to view and understand and really get to see live in person. So it is now the end of the month, so I'm going to share with you guys some stores here and really just again see the growth and how everything looks on a store basis. So let's jump into this one here. This is a store that has been live for roughly a year, and again we'll be able to see the performance and how everything looks. So right here we're going to go to the business reports and check this out as far as the growth and everything. And we're going to go through here and go to year to date, and again like always click on Amazon, make sure we're doing FBA as the setting, and just see the overall growth in sales and everything, how everything looks over the long spectrum. So again, as we've seen, the growth has been really steady, and again that's what FBA is all about, really having that steady growth, and especially in the wholesale model. So again, as you've seen here, the types of amounts of sales that we've seen have just grown month over month over month over month. And this month, it's been doing this store specifically about 15,000 in sales, just shy of that, even though there has been some supply chain issues over the past few months. Now, again, this is something that does take longer to fulfill products. So again, if you're placing an order, don't expect those orders to be done in a month, month and a half anymore. It has been taking a bit longer than that. So again, that is something that we've had to go through. However, it is something that we can account for, and as long as you're patient along the process, you'll get those orders fulfilled and everything will go smooth as always, guys. So again, this was an example of one store. Let's pull up another one so you guys can see another example and how everything looks as far as the growth aspect. So we're gonna go here. We're going to check out another store that's been very steady and on everything, and really just placing orders on a monthly basis, as we tell all our clients to, so that you guys can have a better understanding of what that looks like when you do start placing those orders. Okay, so if we go and check out again another store that has just been consistent, we're going to check this one out here and see how the growth looks on another store that's again just been consistent month over month. And again, although you may see sometimes some delays on shipments and getting items in, it's going to be worth it, guys. Just be patient. You just have to be patient when you're doing wholesale FBA. It's a model that does require patience. Sometimes you have to wait, a couple months before even seeing those products all hit in your store, guys. So as long as you're patient along the process and can understand this, and yes, there have been some global changes on everything, but if you're willing to adapt to it, so are we. This is what we do here at Smart FBA, guys. So if I go back to the account here, and we're going to check out the year to date, and again go to the seller here, sorry, Amazon, not seller, and check out how the graph looks. it's again a nice and steady graph. As you can see here, the amount of products sold has essentially gone up every month, and if you can see here the amount of volume, it's been steadily on an incline despite the pandemic and all the different global supply chain issues and everything going on. Yes, there were some delays in shipments, you know, miscellaneously throughout the months. However, again, another example of a store that's been growing month over month over month. So this is exciting to see. You know, we can really persevere through these types of times. We're excited here at Smart FBA at what we can do, and definitely excited for our clients that are long-term minded, can understand that although some global market changes can occur, we can still get through that, guys. So let's check out another store just so we have a few different examples for you guys. This is actually a store I'm going to be pulling up for you guys that actually has a little bit of FBM in it as well, so it is a cross between the two. This is something that we've been testing for a few months, so for our clients that have been asking us on doing a more hybrid model, this is something we've been testing in the backworks, and it's not something that we're ready to take on a ton of stores. However, we do have a few that we've been back testing, so I'm going to share with you guys one of our stores here so you guys can have a little bit of an idea of what we've been doing and what you guys can expect in the future for clients that do this. So going here, you guys can check this out. And again, this is a store that's running a hybrid, so both FBM and FBA, and something that we may take on in the future more of. Again, we're just kind of in a testing phase currently as we grow and as we produce more results within these stores. So here we have, if we actually go to year to date, again, this is a hybrid model, so it is going to be both. And we're going to check this out quick and see what the growth looks like. So this is a store that before was running full FBM. We took it on when it was in a suspended phase, so we actually had to reinstate it, and we've been steadily growing the store over the last few months. So as you can see here, a few months ago, again, it reached a suspension phase. We did get that reinstated, and from there on have been essentially just growing the store. So this is something you can see there's been a ton of sales over the last couple months. It's really exciting to see this kind of growth, guys, because again, it's something we will, if we see a lot of results, start implementing and growing and allowing people to be able to utilize for the hybrid side. Again, with hybrid, you are taking advantage of FBA and FBM, and you can also take advantage of all the good reviews within the FBA marketplace to then lower the chances of suspensions and everything. Again, our bread and butter is full FBA. However, this is something we're starting to roll out, and for people that are interested in hybrid, definitely you can send us a message for more information. So if you guys have gotten value so far from this video, if you could do two quick things. If you could hit that like button, that helps us out a lot, helps us push this video out to more people. And if you could hit that subscribe button, then you'll be up to date on all our new updates and everything we have here at Smart FBA, guys. So anyway, let's jump back into the store here. So as far as the growth, we're looking to get another six-figure month here by November, December. It's something that we are quite confident on being able to do. And again, with this type of seller that has a large budget, this is really what it depends on. I mean, if you don't have the necessary budget, you're not going to grow to those figures. Vice versa, if you do have the budget and you are willing to grow long term, then you know, typically those are the stores that do perform the best that we have here. So those are the ones that I wanted to share with you guys today. I wanted just to show you a few different examples on the growth aspect and how everything looks. So if you guys are looking to take advantage of the final end of Q4, I will say it is becoming a bit late because we're already coming into November, and it's something that you should have placed your orders a couple months ago to really take full advantage. That being said, we'll do our best to accommodate for sellers that are just placing their orders now and trying to take advantage of the Q4. So that being said, guys, thanks again for tuning in today. We have some more big updates coming in later this week, so you guys definitely want to stay tuned. And again, thanks as always, guys. Looking forward to speaking to you again this week. Take care, everyone. Bye.